Welcome to the new job circular. Today we'll talk about the job circular of Opso Saline Limited. Join the winning team. Opso Saline Limited is one of the largest manufacturers of IV fluid in Bangladesh. The position is medical promotion officer with following requirements: graduate or masters, good health and intelligent, self-motivated, proficient in speaking and writing English and Bangla, willing to work anywhere in Bangladesh within 30 years of age. Job responsibilities: communicate with medical professionals to the country, exchange product information effectively to generate prescriptions, achieve sales objective of the company. We offer excellent work environment, exceptional training, attractive compensation package, and performance-based career progression test at 10 a.m. on Friday, 9th April 2021 at Northern University, Bangladesh, 93 Qazi Nuzrul Islam Avenue, Kauran Bazar, Dhaka 1215, near Farmgate. Candidates are requested to submit the following documents during written test: handwritten application addressed to assistant manager and in charge HR, attested copies of all academic certificates and mark sheets with photocopy of national ID card. So you have to bring those documents. So if you want to apply, just go and attend the test on Friday, 9th April 2021. Thanks for watching. Hope for the best and wait for the next job circular. See you soon.